So this product has been trending, and I want to introduce the product to you guys to know what you really think. This is a Flick K1 smart projector, okay? And this is a rechargeable version. These days, people don't watch TV no more. If you're like me who like to travel, I think this is a very good companion for you, right? It goes like 360, and it has a, I think it has a lamp. Yes. So this does not give you only, we are going to try it, okay? So stick with me. I'm going to give you the test, and then you guys can see, it can give you some room temperature, some warm and all of that. This is so cute, you know? So let's try it, what this bad boy can do, and then if I can recommend it to you. Netflix, Disney, Prime, and all of these, right? Look, any movie of your choice, you can watch it. And these apps, it comes with a projector, 250 inches. This is so huge. See, I have to use a stick. This is a cinema in your home, guys. Cinema in your home.